Hello everyone, myself Devas Study, and today we'll discuss computer organization, and this is the ongoing series of your KMath. In the last class we have already discussed about the rules of KMath, how to form the groupings in KMath, and today we will discuss the examples of KMath, how to solve the KMath examples. So let us start today's class. So let us consider this is a 3 variable KMath. How can you know that this is a 3 variable KMath? Now see here 3 variables are there, A, B, C. Okay. If 3 variables are there, how many cells can be formed? Now 2 to the power 3, that is 8 cells are formed. If 3 variables are there, then 2 to the power 3, 8 cells are formed. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, in the column section, I can write A, and in the row section, I can write B, C. Okay, and this is 0, 1. You can say that 0 means your A prime, and 1 means A. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, how can I write these values? Now, I have already told you every column differs by 1 bit position. Here it is 0, 0. I can change it in 1 bit. That is 0, same, and 0 is converted to 1. Next, in this column, 0 is changed to 1, and 1 is the same as 1. In the next column, 1 is the same as 1, 1 is changed to 0. That means this is 0, 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. So, 0, 0, 0, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, that is 1, 0, 1, 1, that is 3, 0, 1, 0, that is 2, 1, 0, 0, that is 4, 1, 0, 1, that is 5, 1, 1, 1, that is 7, 1, 1, 0, that is 6. Okay. Next, what are the numbers here? 1, 3, 6, 7. Okay. So in 1 place I can put 1. What is the 1 place? This is 1. Okay. I can put 1 here. Next, in the 3 place I can put 1. Okay. Then in the 6th place I can put 1. And in the 7th place I can put 1. What is the value present here? On that place you can put 1. On the 1 place you can put 1. On the 3rd place you can put 1. On the 6th place you can put 1. On the 7th place you can put 1. Next thing is create the groups. How can I create the groups? Now always groups are created in 2 to power. That means 2 ones can be grouped, 4 ones can be grouped, 8 ones can be grouped, 16 ones can be grouped, 32 ones can be grouped. Okay. So here 2 ones are there. So these 2 ones can be formed in one group. Okay. These 2 ones can be formed in one group. Here also 2 ones are there. So this 2 1 forms one group. Okay. Groups of 2 elements in one group. And this group, here also 2 ones are there, but this group is not possible, not needed, because we have already covered those ones. This one can be covered in this group, and this one is covered also in this group. So this group is not needed. Then the question is how to write the simplification expression. See, from this red zone, from the red group, we can produce the term as A prime C. From this red zone, we can derive one expression as A prime C. How? Now see, this one belongs to this row, and this row is known as 0 row, and 0 means A prime. So A prime can be derived. Then this 2 1 belongs to this 2 column, and from these 2 column, which one is common? Now 1 is common. Here 1 is there, and here also 1 is there. But 0, 1, this is different. But here 1 is there, here also 1 is there. So 1 means C. 0 0 means B prime C prime. 0 1 means B prime C. 1 1 means BC. 1 0 means BC prime. 0 means prime, 1 means same. This is A prime, this is A. So from this row A prime, from this column C. So from this red group, I can derive the expression as A prime C. Okay. Next, from this green group, this is the green group. See, this is the green group. What expression I can derive? Now from the row, this is 1. 1 means A. And from these 2 column, which one is common? So here 1 is there, here also 1. Both are common. So what is 1 here? Now 1 means B. So from the green group, we get the product term as AB. So summing these product term, we get the final expression as A prime C plus AB. So this is the solution of this Carnot map. Okay. So for solving Carnot map, first I will see number of variables. Here number of variables is 3. So 8 cells can be possible because 2 to the power 3 is 8. Then I can write the variable names. In column I can write A. In rows I can write BC. So this is A prime, this is A, this is P prime C prime, this is P prime C, this is BC, and this is BC prime. This is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. How? Now every column must differ from 1 bit position. Here also 1 bit position differ 0 and 1. Then third step, whatever numbers present here, put ones there. 1 in 1 place, 1 is there. In 3 place, 1 is there. In 6 place, 1 is there. In 7 place, 1 is there. Then form the group as large as possible. This 2 1 can be formed in one group. This 2 1 can be formed in one group. This is not required, this 2 1, because they are involved already in one group. Okay. From these 2 1s, I can find the expression as A prime C. How? Now from these 2 1, this is 0, so A prime. From these 2 column, 1 is common, so C is there. So A prime C. And from these 2 1, A is common, and from these 2 column, B is common. So the expression is A prime C plus AB. Okay. Next, here it is a 4 variable K-map. How it is a 4 variable K-map? Now P, Q, R, S, 4 variables are there. So this is called as 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map means how many cells are possible? 2 to the power 4, that is 16 cells are possible. P, Q, R, S, 4 variables are there. So 2 to the power 4, 16 cells are possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cells are there. Then in the column I can write as PQ, in the row I can write as RS. Okay, this is the row, I can write PQ, and these are the columns, I can write RS. Then how can I write these numbers? Now these numbers differ by 1 bit position. This is 0 0, 0 1. 1 bit is changed, 0 to 1, and 0 is same again. if I can write 1 0 here, then both these bit are changed. 0 to change to 1, 1 is changed to 0. That is not possible. Only one bit is changed. So 0 is changed to 1, 1 is same. Again, 1 is 1 and 1 is changed to 0. In the same way, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 12. How 12? Now 1 1 0 0, 1100. Okay, decimal is 12. 1101, 1 1 0 1. Decimal is 13. 1 1 1 1. Decimal is 15. 1 1 1 0. Decimal is 14. And this is 8. How this is 8? 1 0 0 0. 1000 means decimal 8. 1 0 0 1. Okay, decimal 9. 1 0 1 1. Decimal 11. 1 0 1 0. Decimal 10. Okay. Then what are the values present here? Put 1 there. In 0th place, 1 is there. In 2 place, 1 is there. In 5th place, 1 is there. In 7th place, 1 is there. In 8th place, 1 is there. In 10th place, 1 is there. In 13th place, 1 is present. In 15th place, 1 is present. Whatever value is there, put 1 on that place. Next is form the group as large as possible. See, here 4 ones are there. Okay, so these 4 ones can be combined in one group. Okay, as we have to take maximum element in a group, so we have made one group of 4 ones, not two group of 2 ones. Here 2 ones can be formed as one group. These 2 ones can be formed as one group. But the rule is take maximum element. So I can take these 4 ones as one group. Okay. And this corner 4 ones can be formed as one group. Okay, paper folding. If I can fold this sheet, this column, if I can fold this sheet, this column and this column can be merged. Okay, so corner ones can be formed as one group. Okay, corner ones can be formed as one group. So what is the result? From these 4 ones, see the row. Which one is common? 1 is common. Here 1, here 1. 0 is changed to 1. So this is not taken. 1 is common. So 1 means Q. Okay. And from these 4 ones, here also 1 is common. So S. So what is the expression? QS from the red group. From the red group, I can find as QS. And from these 4 corner ones, which one is common? See, if I can take these 2 rows, this is 0 0, this is 1 0. That means 0 is changed to 1. So not taken. But here it is 0, here it is 0. So Q is taken. Okay, which is common? That can be taken. And from these 2 rows, from these 2 columns, this column and this column, here 0, here 1, changed. Here 0, here 0, common. So S prime. Okay. So Q prime, S prime. Okay, Q prime, S prime. So summing these 2 expressions, QS plus Q prime, S prime. Again I am telling, from this red group, which one is common? Sorry, from these 4 corner ones. From these 4 corner ones can form one group. Which one is common? Now here 0 is present, here also 0 is present. So Q prime. Here also 0 is present, here also 0 prime. So S prime. From these 4 ones, 1 is common, so Q. And from these 2 columns, 1 is common, so S. So if I combine these 2 terms, the result is QS plus Q prime, S prime. So this is the solution of this Carnot map. Okay, thank you.